Sing Sai Tai Tai Leho. My name is Romelyn A. Dulat. I live in Calawagan, Dakel, Gataran, Cagayan. I am a single parent. I have two children, ages of 18 years old and 4 years old. My highest education attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are playing volleyball and playing basketball and badminton. I work as a housemaid in Lebanon for 5 years. I serve a single parent with two kids, ages of 13 years old and 9 years old, and one old man, ages of 86 years old. My duties are cleaning the house, taking good care of the dogs, and cleaning and cooking for them a food every day when they come to school. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to finish the studies of my children and to give their needs. I'm willing to take good care of a newborn baby and children and elderly. I can help them to fix their needs and to cook for them every day. I can also sing a rhyme for them, especially if I have the kids to take care of them. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid, and I promise to do my work good and do the house clean and to be a good housemaid. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work as soon as possible.